What's up, guys? Another truck video. It's where I do a lot of my thinking, and I want to talk about the ugly side of online business and trying something new. All right, I remember when I got started, I had a lot of people that looked at me funny, and there was a lot of doubt in their eyes. Some very close people even gave me a lot of backlash about it and said there's no need to waste time in doing that. But you got to be willing to look deeper than that. And I really don't want to offend anybody, but I really just want to bring some stuff to the surface that a lot of people aren't talking about. There are, some downsides to doing this stuff, and it's basically other people that are going to doubt you in what you want to do with your life. It's important. This is your life. Nobody else is paying your bills. Nobody else is there to really help you do what you want to do in life. You might have, certain goals that are completely outside of what other people think and how they think, and that is totally okay. Like, here's a prime example. When I got started, a lot of backlash, a lot of doubt, and that'll cause you to have, self-doubt and a lot of internal limiting beliefs. Went through it. I still go through it. I had one of those days yesterday, but as I continued, I kept pushing, I kept going. And no matter what, how hard it got, frustrated, not making money, I kept trying, I kept going because of what I wanted to get to. And I still haven't gotten to the level that I want to get, and I will get, but I'm going to keep pushing no matter what. Now, like today is a prime example. My wife, she just we just dropped her off. She left on a 4-day girls trip. It's Thursday. Most people have to work, but we just dropped her off. I get to hang out with the kids there in the back. You can't see them. They're crunching on some cookies. But we don't have to worry about certain things, like who's going to watch the kids while we go to work, because we both work from home. We don't have to worry about paying someone else to do that. And not saying we're not rich, okay? We're just normal people that went a completely different route. Even though we had people that were shaking their heads at us saying, don't do it, this, that, and the third, we have a different outlook. And it's hard some days, like especially with just doing stuff that other people aren't doing. People are quick to throw rocks at stuff they don't understand. But I'm here to tell you that I don't care what kind of person you are, or whether you love or hate your 9-to-5 or whatever job it is that you're working, but there are things you can do on the side to build, slowly build. That's what I did, slowly built up. I wasn't able to put a lot of time into it because of how I used to work, but I still made a little bit of time. And the same people that are doubting you are going to be the people that are not happy with the way things are going, but they're not willing to make those changes because they don't want to get out of their comfort zone, or they've been raised a certain way. I've had to unlearn so many things in this online journey, and it's just wild to look back and think, what would have happened? Where would I be? Would I still be unhappy if I had not have actually tried? Would I still be unhappy? Would I still be working 60 and 90-hour weeks? Like, just something to think about. Don't allow other people to put doubt in your head and cause you not to do something that you want to do. All right? There's always going to be people that are going to doubt you or not agree with you. But that's the power of free will. You get to make your own decisions. Don't allow others to stop you from doing what you want to do. Just wanted to jump on real quick and share that and put it out there. Like, I started with a very, very cheap course, Legendary, and that was my landing space to get started. Went through it, liked it, learned a lot, saw the power in it, and I've went on to go through many other courses. And there are 2 courses that I think are the biggest reason. Legendary is one of them. And for those people that want to do it and try it and go through it, I'm willing to talk to you about it. I'll put a link in the description for that. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, because I'll let you in on the inside what to really expect. But I'll put that in the description if you guys want to check it. It's a $7 course. There are other upsells inside the course. I can tell you other options that are a lot cheaper. Whatever questions you have, put those in the comments. I'll answer them. I check those pretty regularly. The other course that I went through was one I got in August. That was personal branding, where it's less tech and just really learning how to sell one-to-one and, make big commissions on the front end. Just two different breeds of online business. Neither one of them are wrong. They both work. It really just depends on you and where you want to start. But if you got questions, please drop them below. I'll also put a link to join my Facebook group. I have lots of stuff in there too. I'm very active on my platforms to try and reach more people that are curious and serious and motivated to make extra money so they can eventually leave their job that they're not happy at. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an inside look, some stuff to think about, and really put some thought into around what you want to do, because it's your life. What can these things do for you? And I can speak on personal experience of what they've done for me and all the failures I've went through and how I've dealt with it. Mindset is a big deal, so don't sleep on that. But I'm just really here to educate, help. I work with people one-on-one. I do a lot of different things to help folks out, not just an affiliate. Some of the big names that I've learned from are Dave Sharp, Taylor Welch, Chris Evans, Jacob Karras, just to name a few. And Google those people. You'll see the caliber of people I've been surrounding myself with over the years. Jermaine Steele is another one. He helped me with ecom because I've done a lot of different business models online in order to find my way and what really resonates with me and the kind of person I am. So there you go. That's all I got for you today. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop some comments if you have questions. Later, guys.